So when we say that this is my truth, that's your truth, yeah, because no one's trying to kill you for it. When I look at Spinoza's text of the Ethics, I really do see some sort of contra-Bible. I see a sort of holy book in which he takes up the same project as religions and he just does it differently. Spinoza is latching onto the idea that love is first and foremost an expansion of the self. Usually we think when we see something, we see it's beautiful and then we say, I love it. And we think that the beauty preceded, but this is not the case. We think something is beautiful because we love it, because we want it. The beauty is constituted by the love and not the other way around. What he wants you to do is amend your intellect. You have to straighten out your ideas so that you feel healthy, and health means being able to understand. Through love, what we experience is that what we want for the beloved is what we want for ourselves. This is why love is the basis of all morality, because it is a sense in which I see myself in the beloved. God is nature. And then we as human beings are parts of God or nature. The only reason that we mistakenly think that we have free will is that we are conscious of the desires that we have, and we are unconscious or unaware of the reasons behind these desires. There is no way in which we can be ever fully independent, and this should never be our goal. To be independent is to die. There is no stupider saying than everyone comes into this world alone and everyone dies alone. No one comes into the world alone.